Just check this joint out. We flew in the dark last night, so I didn't know what it was like. Check it out. Beautiful. Phu Quoc Island. Check out this dude hanging off a little rope, painting the wall. Anyway, this is our hotel. Check it out. Coconut beach, trees right on the beach. Beautiful. Anyway, we're off to the laundry and then looking up the north of the island. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to Phu Quoc Island. We flew down from Ho Chi Minh City last night. I'm with my son. I brought him on a holiday. He's just finished school, so I'm taking him to Vietnam, Thailand, back to Malaysia, back to Indonesia. Then he's going back to Australia to start university. So, yeah. Here we are on Phu Quoc Island. It's a lot colder down here. It was really hot in Ho Chi Minh, like 34 degrees, but this morning it's a bit chilly. It's probably only like 24 at the moment or something. So it's a lot cooler down here than what it is in Ho Chi Minh. So anyway, which is nice. Probably won't be so hot of a day. Hopefully only about 30 degrees, which is just nice. Alright, so I think these are the motorbike rentals. I'll rent one of these for a few days and we'll go exploring. Alright, this is it. So I'm going to switch to the other cam and we're out of here. So we went for a bit of a ride, like in 15 minutes. It's a big double lane road all the way, no traffic, 15-20 minutes and we're already at the north end of the island. And this is Grand World or something. Check out this park. You can walk up all on around. It's probably for kids to walk, and there's slides and everything. Check that out, pretty cool.
It's quite nice, I like the scenery.
Yeah, check out all these
Statues.
waterfalls and shit everywhere.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll go for a walk through the middle of this Grand World or whatever and just have a look, see what's going on. Okay, so we're walking and getting sore feet. So what we've done, we've just come and got the bike. We'll just cruise around on the motorbike. It's a lot easier to see more quicker. And yeah, just see what's going on in here, because a lot of these shops are just open and a lot of it just for show, I think. So we'll just cruise around and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, that'd be like Night Market Street, I suppose. We're not even sure. There's a big sign with a cross in it whether you can actually even ride in here or not. But we are, so that's about it. It's blocked off, so this must be the road, yeah. So that's about it. Here's another one down to the beach. Go check out the beach. Well, that's about it. Yeah. The ghost town. So may as well grab the water. Okay, just going to check out the beach. Maybe buy a coconut or something, don't know if there's one for sale. So that was awesome. We had a little swim and a relax here. There's absolutely no one hassling you to buy shit. No one hassling you to clean your shoes and buy stuff and sell your coconuts and stuff like that. It's a really good little area up here, very quiet, very secluded. There's probably about 50 people swimming up there and about 10 down there, and that's it on the whole beach. Beautiful spot, just at the back of Grand World. Okay, that was unreal. Nice swim, hang out at the beach, cool down. We're going to get on the bike and head back down to the resort. That's about it. Maybe have some lunch and a juice. Just left the beach down near Grand World. We've stopped at Tony Mart. There's a little lady on the corner here selling ice cold coconuts. They're bloody beautiful. These little yellow ones are really sweet. So give that a try. Oh, so sweet. Okay, so we're going to head back. We're going to head back to down into town where the resort is. Relax a bit. Maybe get an avocado juice, something to eat for lunch, and that's the plan, and that's about it. What do you, nice tea? Oh, Pepsi.
Yeah.
So we found a groovy little roadside joint to have some lunch. I'm going to go with the chicken pho, and Artie's going to get sausage fried rice. Just a water. And we'll get the drink, so yeah, looks good. It's busy, there's a lot of people eating here. So that'll be lunch. Okay, so I got the chicken pho. It comes in a little lid. Like a chicken soup. And you get all these extra herbs and stuff with it, put in it. So what are we going to eat it with? Got some chopsticks, and I already got the fried rice with sausage and egg. This looks pretty good. The pho is good. It's like a rice noodles with chicken and herbs and onions and coriander and stuff like that. Looks very good. So what we'll do is just whack some extra stuff in there. A bit of fish sauce, of course. Yes, got to put fish sauce and a bit of chili. Check that out. Now that's a meal. What's that, chili oil? Or it'll be spicy chili oil.
It's nice.
Oh, it's probably too hot to eat, but I'll try a bit of that. Here, the noodles. Oh, it's pretty hot. And that was a good day. We went all the way to the top of the island. We checked out that Grand Ride, had a good swim at the beach. Come down, had some something nice to eat. Had a great day actually, plenty to do. Watched sunset in front of the resort, and then later that night there was a fire show, and the fire show was amazing actually. We didn't know it was on. We just looked off the veranda and it was on, and yeah, it was worth sussing out. So anyway, so far our first impressions, or my first impressions of Vietnam, Phu Quoc is great. I love this island. It's really quiet. There's no one hassling you to buy stuff all the time and harassing you every 5 minutes, you know, like most of the tourist areas. It's a very laid back island, and yeah, I'll definitely be back. It's a great spot. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.